In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can monitor or how you can check your usage metrics for all anti-gravity models. So this is very easy to do. And once you opened your anti-gravity, you can also check the limits from here. If you open this agent and you're gonna click on this Gemini 3.1 Pro, and if you have reached a limit on some model, you will see the orange or yellow exclamation mark. So you'll see this yellow triangle showing you that you are reaching the limit. So that's the first way how you can check it. And even the better way is by going to settings. So you want to click on this settings, this gear icon next to your profile. And you want to go to open anti-gravity user settings. From here, we want to go to models. And from here, you can see all your model quota. So you can see currently I have everything in 100%. And you can also see the refreshes time. So if you would reach the, let's say, limit on this Gemini 3.1 Pro, you will have here 0% and it's going to probably be red or different color. And you also will see the time you need to wait for it to refresh. So this is basically how you can see or how you can check your usage metrics for anti-gravity models. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for tutorials like this one.